Hey, everyone! Today we are diving into everything you need to know before staying at RESTHOUSE in Tuguegarao City, Philippines. If you want to secure the best rate, make sure to use the link or scan the QR code in the description below to book your stay. This property holds an impressive 9.7 out of 10 rating based on 158 reviews. Guests consistently rate it as exceptional, particularly for its value and facilities. It is conveniently located near Tuguegarao Airport, just 2.6 kilometers away. You are also within easy reach of Ermita de San Jacinto and Buntun Bridge. Unlike standard hotels, this place offers a full kitchen with a stove, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. It is perfect if you prefer cooking your own meals. If you are traveling by car, you can take advantage of the free private parking on site. This adds a layer of convenience and security for your vehicle. For business travelers or digital nomads, the rooms include a dedicated desk/workspace and Wi-Fi. This makes it a solid choice for remote work during your trip. The property scores a massive 9.5 for value for money. You are getting high-end amenities and a clean environment without the typical luxury price tag. The accommodation is fully air-conditioned and features essential comforts like linens, video streaming services, and internet TV. It is designed for a relaxed stay. There is an outdoor balcony or terrace and a garden/backyard area. There is even a barbecue grill available, which is great for evening relaxation. Cleanliness is a priority here, with a high score of 9.2. They follow strict health guidelines, including the use of professional cleaning supplies and providing hand sanitizer. Given the kitchen facilities and private entrance, this property is ideal for families or small groups who want a home-like atmosphere rather than a standard hotel room. RESTHOUSE offers an incredible blend of home comfort and exceptional service in Tuguegarao. If this looks like the right fit for your next trip, please use the link in the description to book safely through the official partner site.